Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to a new video. I wanted to do an update on the current 62 Bel Air Custom that we see right in front of us right here. It has various parts from different kits, from a Chrysler, Corvair, even a Catalina. The front end, we went ahead and extended that, giving it that long nose look, inspired by some Japanese builds. I also had to put in some more work by adding some more styrene on the sides by extending the nose. There's that little step that got lost. I needed to bring that in. That's something that you see right here in the front, what I'm talking about right there. You know, I had gotten questions and people asking like in the comments, what kind of styrene or plastic did you use in order to extend the front? So let me show you guys that right now. We went ahead and used the Evergreen scale models, part number 9040. This is a 1 millimeter, thickness that we use for the front end. As far as the sides, I needed to lift the side panel on the top because that right there, we ended up losing it. It was not there when we extended it. You could see it slightly right there from that angle. Let me see here if you could kind of see it. But anyway, we ended up using a different brand for that one there. This one was the brand called Wave Corporation. And this one here, it's a 0.3 millimeter. So it's really thin sheet that we ended up, just cutting out a strip. I took some photographs. I'll later put those photos up so you guys could see them and save them. So in case if you're ever in a situation like that where you might need to layer some styrene. So this stuff comes in very handy right there. And, this build is coming together. I still need to, now that everything looks somewhat smooth, there are sink marks right here at the top. There's some other little areas that need to be filled in, sanded again. And, it's an ongoing process. But I'm happy about it. I'm not bothered by it. I'm enjoying this build as I'm going. And I just like sharing with you guys the progression. Hopefully you gain something from it, maybe some inspiration or some motivation, to continue forward on the next build or current build, and I'm still learning a lot of things with this build that I'm working on right here. But thank you guys for watching. I'll keep you guys posted on the next one on what we're going to be adding to this next. All right. Peace out later.